In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money with a Wise business account in this full walkthrough. First, open Wise and log into your Wise business account. Once you're signed in, head to the home dashboard. Before you begin the transfer, take a moment to make sure your business account is fully verified and ready to send money. It's also important to confirm that you have enough money available, either in your Wise balance or through a supported payment method. If you plan to fund the transfer from an external bank, remember that Wise typically requires the payment to come from a business bank account that matches the business name registered on your Wise account. From the home screen, click Send. At this point, choose the currency you want to send and enter the amount. If you're already holding money in a specific Wise balance, you can also open that currency balance directly and choose Send from there, which can make the process a little quicker. Next, add the recipient. You can either choose someone you've sent money to before or add a brand new recipient. If you're adding a new one, select Add a Recipient, then choose whether the transfer is going to a person or a business. After that, select the recipient's country and enter the required bank details. Be especially careful here, because this is one of the most important parts of the transfer. Double check the account number, routing number, or IBAN, SWIFT, or BIC, and the recipient name wherever those details are required. Now choose the amount and currency more precisely. In most cases, Wise lets you decide whether you want to enter the exact amount you are sending or the exact amount you want the recipient to receive. As you do this, Wise will clearly display the fee, the exchange rate, and the estimated delivery time, so you can review the cost and timing before moving forward. After that, select how you want to pay. Depending on your location and the type of transfer, you may see options such as your Wise balance, bank transfer, or card payment. For business transfers, make sure you're using an appropriate business funding source. Before you send anything, review all the details carefully. Check the recipient's name, account information, amount, currency, exchange rate, Wise fee, estimated arrival time, and payment method. If everything looks correct, click Continue, and then confirm the transfer by selecting Send or Confirm and Send. Once the transfer is submitted, go back to the home screen, open Transactions, select the transfer, and check its status. Wise will usually notify you when the money has been received and again when the transfer is on its way. Finally, save the transaction record. For a business account, keeping the confirmation or receipt is a smart habit for bookkeeping and accounting purposes.